Hey y'all, this is Hope at Crafty Hope, and I just got done making my contribution for the Art Elements January theme challenge, which is the moon. Lindsay of the Art Elements team offered up that challenge, and it took me a little while to get started. I finally had an idea, and then I was so, I don't know, scared of doing it that it took me a while to get started, so I rushed. But anyway, these pieces here have something to do with it. I did draw out my idea here, which was to show the different phases of the moon and use a hinge. Now, I've never made a hinge or done a hinge on a piece of jewelry, but I thought, hey, why not? There's a challenge. I'm in a time crunch. Let's go for it. So I did. I used this lid as a template, and I cut out a little snippet of cardboard here that I can't seem to get out of here for my little arms to wrap for the hinges, and then I just used a cracker box to make some templates to trace onto 10, because of course I used 10. Now once I got all that done, I painted pieces of it, I did it, but really my purpose of coming in here, I'm not going to show you all how I made it. I just want to show you how it works. So this is my finished piece here, and these are my hinge down here. I definitely am happy that I tried making a hinge, and I will try it again in the future. This is not perfect by any means, but I'm so excited about it, so I want to show y'all. So here's my full moon, and you flip over this crescent and you've got that bit of a moon, and you flip over this and it sticks a little, and then you've got your half moon and your eclipsed moon and then a crescent moon. And then everything folds back up, and I just put it on a simple chain, and I've got a simple bail that I riveted on, and it's a pretty awesome necklace. I'll share some pictures on here, but I really just wanted to show y'all the hinge of it. Like I said, this one sticks a little, and I'm not sure how to fix that, but it works. It's a hinge. So, all right, guys, thanks for coming by. If you have any questions, you know, ask me, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.